Good morning, children. In today's art class, we are going to color the vegetable basket which we have drawn in the previous class. Hope you all have completed your drawing and done the outline with black sketch pen. Now I will teach you how to color it. We have to color this vegetable basket with oil pastel colors. So let's start. First we'll start with the cauliflower. You have to take light green oil pastel color and color the leaves. Like this you will fill color in all the leaves. First with light green color. Now we will take dark green color and we have to make the veins of the leaves like this. And make it little darker near the cauliflower. Give a little dark shade downwards. Okay, after this we will do cauliflower with yellow ochre color. Now this is yellow ochre color which you have to take and draw the light lines inside the cauliflower. And then you have to start coloring from this side. You have to give very light strokes. And then you can just smudge it with your finger little bit. Okay, so it will spread and the shade will come out nicely. Like this. Now we'll come to the brinjal. We have to first color the stem with light green color. Like this. Then we'll take dark purple color and you have to leave little white spot in between where the light is reflecting. Like this you will leave a little white spot in between. First give light strokes and then you have to make it darker here, so you will overlap again with the purple color here. And then on this light where it is reflecting you will smudge it little bit with your finger, then it will give a natural look to it. Like this. See, now our brinjal is ready. Now you will do tomato. For tomato we have to take dark green color to color its stem. Like this. Now we will take red color. In tomato also light is getting reflected, so we have to leave little square portion where the light will reflect, like this. And then you color the rest of the tomato with red color. Again you smudge it little bit with a finger, like this. Okay, now your tomato is also ready. Now we come to the gourd. In gourd you have to do yellow color first. In whole gourd you will do first yellow color. Like this. You will do yellow color and then we have to do light green color on it. Like this we will give the shade of light green color on it. On the sides, both the sides you will give green color shade. Okay. And you have to just mix it with your finger like this little bit, and it will look nice. See, your gourd is ready. Now we will do the stem with dark green color. Now we come to the pumpkin. Pumpkin also we will first do stem with dark green, like this. After that we will do yellow color. In pumpkin also we have to overlap 3 colors. First we will do yellow, then orange, and then red, because we need dark orange color for pumpkin. So first you do light yellow color in the front portion only, like this. Then you take orange color and overlap it, not fully, you will not completely cover it, leave little yellow in between and color it like this. Now we have to take red color to make it little darker. Now take red color, overlap it on orange color. You can see in your books where it is darker, you have to do the red color only in that portion. From top you will do red color and leave it like this. Then we will mix it later on. like this. After that you do the mixing as I have told you with finger, and it will come out nicely. Now you can see pumpkin, gourd, tomato and brinjal are ready. Now we come to the onion and potato. Now see, onion you have to do with purple color first. You have to leave, like you have, it is given in your book, you have to leave little white portion in between. So you have to do the lines little far. Like this. After that you take blue color and then do little bit of blue lines in between, like this. After that we will color potato. For potato we will use two colors because brown will be very dark, so we will first do yellow ochre. This is yellow ochre shade which must be in your oil pastel colors. First you do yellow ochre light for the base. Now we will cover it with brown color. Take brown color and cover it with brown color, then the actual color of the potato will come. If you do directly brown color, then it will look very dark. Like this you will color it and mix it. After doing, you mix it with your finger like this. Now you can see potato is also complete. Now only your basket is left. We will color it with dark brown color. First you do dark brown color here. After that you give shading from one direction. You can see the shading where it is dark in your books, you will use a little dark brown, and where it is light you will use yellow ochre. Again we will do yellow ochre in between. First you do dark brown light. Now we will take yellow ochre color and we will do yellow ochre in between. Now see, your basket is also ready. Now see, we have finished the basket. I hope you will also be able to do it nicely. This is given in your book, you can see, and we have also done it in the same way. I hope you have learned how to color. Okay, see you in the next class. Thank you and have a nice weekend.